my loves, welcome back to another video and happy new year. I know I haven't posted a video all year and I do apologize for that. I wasn't trying to abandon my channel or anything like that. I just couldn't upload for my own personal reasons. I had a really tough year and I knew I had to get myself together before I could start posting again. But I am so glad to be back. I've missed you all so much and I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. This day of cleaning was the day after Christmas and I low-key didn't want to take my tree down because it was just so pretty, but I knew I had to. Oh, and shout out to my hubby. He helped me take the tree down. He packed it up, took it out to the storage. I tell him all the time, don't watch my videos, but just in case you are watching, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it, babe.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, figure it's in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know that beat, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a big guarantee and why. So kind of your neck is falling. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh.
Don't mind the fact that we have 3 TVs in this area. The TV that's mounted on the wall, it turned dark on one side, so we need to order a new light for it. And of course, my husband, he just can't go without a TV, so he brought the small one in to play his video game on, and then he brought the other TV to watch football on. And I just found that so funny because I don't watch a lot of TV, and if the TV's broke, then it's just gonna be broke until we can get a new one.
All over again, all over again. Don't you, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it. All over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're icing every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're icing every time. Sounding like you're icing every time. Bum, 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 bum.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
I am so excited for the new year. I'm the type of person that likes to plan and write things out so I can easily go back and look at it at a later date. And even though the year isn't over yet, I've already started planning the new year. And this is something that really motivates me and keep me excited for what's to come. I say all that to say I have so much planned for this channel. So my children are enrolled in virtual learning for the rest of the school year, and all of this is just school supplies. But I'm just gonna have to go through this and organize it a different day because my time was limited and I just had other things I needed to do. By this time in the video, I had been up all day and I was just tired and just ready to be done. It was definitely a pizza kind of night for us because I knew I still had to edit the video and make it to the gym. But if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Don't forget to leave heart emojis in the comments, and Happy New Year. I pray the new year is full of love and blessings for everyone. And I love you girls. I'll see you all in the next video.